everyone, how are you doing? This is Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. I took a trip to Dollar Tree yesterday and I haven't been there for quite some time. I needed to restock on items that I like to put into giveaways or Happy Mail. Maybe if you remember last time, my giveaway, I put some pencils in there because I had run out of pens. So I got a whole bunch of pens. So let's take a look at what I got here. So these seem to be a hit with, if my winners are in the United States. I guess you cannot get coffee crisp in the United States. So these are always a hit. So I bought a few bars of these. And I like to put notebooks. I mean, everybody can use a notebook, right? So they have some nice notebooks at Dollar Tree. This is Smile, Shine Bright, Be Kind. And this actually flips up like that. And then the paper is lined. And then it has the metal coil spine there. So there's this one I got, and there's this one, it says notes, and it's the same thing. And then this is interesting. This is really pretty, I think. The blues and the pinkish colors. Unicorn says one of a kind, and I only found one of these at Dollar Tree, so it definitely is a one of a kind. So this flips up. It'd be fun to decorate this part to go with this picture here, and then you have all your own decorations behind it. Yeah, I thought that was cute. Then I found a whole bunch of these buried at the bottom of the notebook pile on the shelf. So I got 3 of these, and they're all the lined paper. Yeah, so stocking up again for giveaways when I have yarn giveaways. I just like to throw these in. And pens. Got a bunch of pens. I never saw these there before. I don't want to, well, maybe I'll take them out. Let's take a closer look. Because I mean, if you're going to get a notebook, you got to have a pen. And these are actually quite pretty, aren't they? And it says, what's it say? Meringue? Oh, sorry. Let's see, is that focusing? Oh, meringue. And then this is another one. Yeah, I think they're pretty. And I think, yeah, I got all the same. So, there's the pens. And I do also like to put these rockets. They're Canadian made in Canada. Rocket candies. So I put those in my giveaways as well. And then I saw these really cute. These are clothespins with really cute little llamas on them. Those are cute. You could use those on the books here, or page markers, or up here maybe, or to attach something to your page, or for journals. Yeah, so those are pretty cute. So I got 2 packages of those. And I also got, let's see here, some stickers. I am working on a journal, and I don't do tutorials on them, like my channel's mainly about crochet. But I'm actually working on 2 journals. One is almost done. It's taken me months because I just don't have a lot of time. You know what I mean? You must know what I mean. So these are, when you put this on a journal, sometimes people lock their books, their diaries, And then also I got these stickers here with the keys and the locks. I thought those were really, really pretty too. Okay, so that's those. And then these you can use in journals too. These are already made up. Tassels. Paper clips. So I got 2 packages of those. They're the same. And I guess I got 3 packages of these, the keys and locks. Yeah, so that's it for my Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for watching.